Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by saving a copy, because this method alters text in bulk and you want a safe rollback. Once saved, open the document and press Ctrl+H to open Find and Replace. Make sure Use Wildcards is checked in Options. Now, target digits. Enter 0-91 in Find to match any number sequence. Then pause. Do not replace yet. Test a single match with Find next so you can confirm the pattern catches precisely what you intend. Next, choose how you will replace matched numbers, convert to words, add brackets, or insert a placeholder for manual editing. Use the Replace dialog. For numeric conversion, you can use an external macro or paste the humanized word into Replace. For simple formatting, use \\1 with surrounding text. Once done, click Find Next and replace a few times. This tests edge cases like dates or serials. If matches look correct, proceed with Replace All. Otherwise, refine the pattern and repeat testing. Finish by scanning the document for context errors. Numbers in headings, dates, or coded ID may need manual fixes. If Replace All produced incorrect results, press Ctrl+Z immediately to revert. Then adjust your wildcard pattern to exclude specific formats. For example, use negative lookarounds or add separators. Make sure to save a corrected copy once satisfied. One troubleshooting tip: if numbers inside words got altered, refine the find to use word boundaries like, and to limit matches only to whole numbers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.